Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 without internet. I am installing Windows 11 in this PC and just after selecting language, it is showing you will need internet connection to continue setting up the device, but there is a way to bypass it. Press Shift plus F10 which will open command prompt and write this command OOBE/bypass NRO. Here OOBE stands for out of box experience. Oh, I gave space. After that, your PC will restart automatically. Again, select the language and now select I don't have internet. Further steps are same. You don't even need Microsoft account in this to complete installation. Windows 11 is now successfully installed. This is how you can install Windows 11 without internet. Thanks for watching.